Okay, once you've successfully registered for our course, you should be taken to the dashboard, which looks like this. Um, you will need to take the pre-assessment survey, and then once you complete that, you're going to just keep going. It is not a real big survey, it's just a survey. So there are 4 modules that you will need to complete, and if you can go ahead and just start clicking next. So there's one on understanding bias, and then on info zones, and then misinformation, and the last one is evaluating evidence online. Once you complete all of these, you'll be able to see your progress as well as and you'll be able to learn more about what you need to know in order to complete your project for the week. Let me know if you have any questions.